Welcome to AI Care tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage residents. As a system administrator, you can list residents, add a resident, edit a resident, or delete a resident. When you first navigate to the residents page under People, you will see all the residents in the system. A list of residents may be too long. In this case, you can filter the list by choosing the Filter by drop-down and choose a facility type. For example, you can choose Enterprise, Venue, Building, or Floor. You can add a resident by using the Add button in the Residents list. Click the Add button and the Add Resident dialog will be displayed. Enter the details of the resident and click the Add button to finish adding the resident. Once a resident is added, you may change its information by editing it. First, locate the resident you'd like to edit. Select it by clicking the radio button to the left of the username. Then click the Edit button above. The Edit Resident dialog will be displayed. Make changes to the details of the resident and click the Edit button to commit the changes. If a resident was created by mistake, you can delete it. First, locate the resident you'd like to delete. Select it by clicking the radio button to the left of the username. Then click the Delete button above. A confirmation dialog will be displayed. Click Confirm Delete to finish deleting the resident. This concludes the tutorial for managing residents. Thank you for watching.